Vishwakarma Government Engineering College, Chandkheda, Ahmedabad welcomes you in this session for B Semester 3, subject Effective Technical Communication. Subject code is 313004. We are discussing Unit 4, that is Ethics in Engineering, and this is 4.4, Making Moral Choices. I am Dr. Wasim Qureshi, Faculty of English at VGEC, and this is 4.4.1. Hamlet. It is soliloquy. In the play Hamlet, written by William Shakespeare, has wonderful dialogue. He says that to be or not to be, that is the question. Though it is related to the drama written by Shakespeare, but this is a very unique statement which talks about our moral, dilemma. Now we have to understand what the word moral is. Moral is an adjective and it is concerned with the principles of right or wrong behavior. So basically, when you take a right decision, particularly in terms of behaviors, that is your moral. Morality, right, can be a body of standards or principles derived from a code of conduct from a particular philosophy, religion, culture, civilization, or it can be derived from a standard that a person believes that this should be universal. So it's a kind of set of some principles. Those principles are accepted either as per a philosophy, we can call it ism, it can be a religion, by a culture or civilization. Morality may also be significantly synonym with goodness or rightness. So you must be morally right. That means you must be doing something good. You must be taking right decisions. Morals are the prevailing standards of behaviors, right? They refer to what societies sanction as right, as correct, as acceptable. So this is something about morality. In the essay on the nature and purpose of morality, Louis Pojman claims that morality has 5 major purposes. The first one is to keep society from falling apart, right, or falling apart. So that is the very important purpose of morality, to keep society from falling apart. The second is to ameliorate human suffering, right? Third is to promote human flourishing. Human must flourish. The fourth one is to resolve conflicts of interest in just or orderly ways. So they must be done in proper way. And the fifth one is to assign praise and blame, reward the good and punish the guilty. So, if you have done good, you must be praised. If you have done something wrong, you must be blamed. So that is something which, morality performs in all these 5, purposes. So dear friends, in this small video, you have learned a little bit about morality, its purposes and moral. Now to continue with the same, you need to follow the steps, right? So that you will learn how to make moral choices. Thank you very much. This was 4.4.1. Thank you.